What's up, everybody? Brian here with SLG Concrete Coatings, here for another episode of What in the Heck is SLG up to today? Let's go take a look. So we are back here at Santa Maria Ford, where we're doing another installation, detail / office stuff, where we're basically putting in a whole nother epoxy floor. So let's go see what the guys are doing. Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, you need a new car? Santa Maria Ford, check them out. So the guys are all in full prep swing, doing the old grinding and vacuuming, get her done process. So let's see what we got. There's Tex. And there's Mark. And there's the whole area they're working on. And there's more. Don't forget the office. Any words of wisdom? I can't understand a thing you're saying. Tex, any words of wisdom?
Don't do this to your truck.
That's my truck. Day 2. We got the cracks filled. Other stuff happening. We're getting ready to lay down some product. Got all hands on deck. Even this guy. So yeah, we're gonna get jamming. You're not gonna see much video of this because I'm gonna be running stuff like a madman, but it's gonna be good. So let's get to it.
Number 4 is on the floor.
So this is the other side that we did the last time. And I was actually just watching one of the techs. He was using that mop back there, mopping up oil. Came right up. It was awesome. And I ran over there trying to get it in the action. I totally missed it, but it was awesome. So that's it for today. And then tomorrow we'll come back, do some more work, top coating, all that good stuff. We'll bring you back for that. Day 3, top coat, quartz process. Anyways, you're gonna see some color. Day 4, doing grout coat today. Got jamming, starting in the office. We're gonna stick around, see what happens, and go from there. Enjoy! How are we looking?
Great.
How do we feel about our project?
Wonderful.
I mean, a few words. All right, there she is, finished product. Andrew was just finishing up some of the final touches today, and there she is. Just beautiful. Hyberflex, awesome floor. Great system for all your commercial applications. Doesn't do any justice in pictures and video. You really have to see it up close and personal because it's just beautiful. Thank you guys so much. It's echoing here. I apologize for that. But thank you so much for taking a look. Thank you for all your support. Please be sure to comment, subscribe, share, and like the videos and all the social media. And we'll see you on the next one. Hi, Andrew. Thanks, guys.